Checked Old International out there on top of the post. Y'all see it when we went by? That was cool. Looked like an Old International pickup up there. Okay. We're on US 281. It is 70 degrees outside. Might be a little breeze blowing. Coming up on close to our town. Alright. There you go, the signboard. The next town we're going to hit is going to be Mineral Wells, Texas. I got this one time at night, I believe. And I wanted to come back and get it in the daylight. And just, I don't think I posted the video because it was just, it looked good, but I can't remember if I posted it or not. Now we're going to hit it in daylight. So, let's see. Tell it's warming up, I'm getting plastered with bugs. Here we go. There's a sign for Mineral Wells city limit. That tree looks cool. 1 mile to go. Another old gas station. There's this welcome to Mineral Wells sign. I just love them old gas stations and the old buildings. So let's see what we see. I know we're going to see some old ones in here. Let's sit back and enjoy the view. see the old hotel in the horizon. Should be over the trees. I got a video of that on YouTube. I took the drone down there and flew it around it. So let's see what we see. Old hotel sign, that's neat. I love them kind of signs. Old building. Check out the star on the one on the left. I can't say that I've got murals to the left. There's old buildings everywhere. There's another mural to the left or right. I think you can see the hotel. It's that real big, tall building. To the left, right there to the left side of the GoPro. Still got old buildings though. Check out the Ritz, old movie theater. Oh man, this is a blast from the past. Greetings from Mineral Wells, Texas. What it says on that building to the left up there. That building, when we make this left turn right here, that building right there is going to be on the right as soon as we go to straighten out. That's an old building. Here we go. That one right there. Looks like the back side of the hotel. But I think they turned that into apartments, I believe. Or they were talking about it at one time. Whether they did or not, I don't know. I got the old building to the left. Ain't the roof's going on it. The flower shop looks like an old building. Check out the Dairy Mart sign on the right. The Dairy Mart Drive-In. Oh, that sign's old. this here was brilliant. Oh, so I must have hit me up there or something. People need to look in them mirrors. They're trying to mess up my video. I got the funny feeling this dude right here just ain't done yet. Get out here with all the car lots now. Check out Woody's over there. Like one of those old aircraft hangars, they hooped it up a little bit. Primary Helicopter Center. I wonder if there's something up in there. If anybody knows, you can leave a message. What's up in the Primary Helicopter Center? City check out the War Museum. Oh, I'm going to come check that out. I need to, well, I guess I'm going to come in the camper. I don't see no truck parking. Oh. Put it on the camper list. Up yonder to the right, underneath them telephone poles, like they just cut off the edge of a mountain or something. Or is that just my shore on that? Well, we're gonna call it here. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Leave a comment on a couple of those things like the War Museum and the helicopter part. Anybody knows what's up in there, leave a comment and we'll appreciate the information. Well, let's go see what else we can find.